to everything without hacking. Now, before I show you how to go about it, first there's a adage that says seeing is believing. Here are the previous shots of those who have helped, and you can see different shots. As you can see along, you can see how they are happy that they were able to get the Plotagon premium features for life. Now, what do you need to do is quite simple. Here you just need to just observe about 5 good taxes, and the first tax is go on to Plotagon channel, that is their YouTube channel, right away, like a video, subscribe to their channel, then screenshot that. Now you see a link in the description box of my video here. Yes, just click on it. Once you click on that link, it will direct you straight to my WhatsApp. Then send me the pictures the pictures of the channel you just subscribe to. That is for Plotagon Studio. Now once that is done, I will tell you the remaining 4 steps you need to undergo. See, once you follow the full instructions, you get all the necessary, you have the access to it. Okay, here we are not hacking. Majorly what we do is we purchase the Plotagon license for you, so you have nothing to lose, you have nothing to be afraid of. All you need to do is to follow my instructions, then you will get it right away. It's as simple as that. You don't need to get panic or to see probably it is a waste of time. It is never a waste of time. As you can see, the previous shot of people that have helped so far. So my own goal is to put a smile on your face. So what are you waiting for? First, go on to Plotagon's YouTube channel, like any of their video, subscribe to their channel. Now screenshot those and send to me on WhatsApp. As well, you can also send to me on Telegram, and I will be there waiting for you to help you out. I can't wait to see you on the other side. Have a nice day. Bye for now. One love.